Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make 5-star Vanya snow sculpture in Heartopia. The sculpture will look like this. It's so beautiful and aesthetic and with the details like this, with the good details like this. And to get it, first make sure you have already unlocked the snow sculpting hobby and reach level 5 or maximum level. And if you don't know how to unlock or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions below. And then now for the important part, to get the 5-star Vanya sculpture, you must sculpturing You must sculpture during rainy or rainbow weather. So wait for one of these before starting, and it can trigger at all times like this. And then next, just begin this snow sculpting mini game. Just go to your snow sculpting bands like this, and then just start the mini games, sculpting mini games. And during that games, at the tapping rounds, just try to clear as many rounds as possible. And the more rounds that you successfully complete, the higher your chances to obtain a perfect 5-star sculpture. So remember, just go sculpture at the rainy or rainbow, and then just do many completed rounds for the best chance for Vanya's sculpture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.